is tissues?
Tissue is a group of cells performing a common function. Each system has a distinctive type of cells and usually has one then function. Okay. Plants have four basic kind of tissue system. There is mesodermatic, ground, dermal, and vascular. Okay. Okay, tissue system and its function for dermal tissue system is its protection and prevention of water loss, and for tissue system that is photosynthesis, food storage, regeneration, support, and protection. For vascular tissue system, transport of water and mineral, transport of food. Okay, meristems, site of cell division in plant. Plant growth is largely restricted to a specialized region of active cell division called meristems. Plants are sensitive to damaged meristems because damage often will stop growth. In shoots, meristems are protected by young leaves. Root meristem are protected by root cap. There are four types of meristems. That is apical meristem. Occur a new tip of the roots and shoot and produce primary tissue responsible for the primary growth. There is elongation of root and shoots. Enable plants to extend to obtain water, light, and nutrient. Okay, for axillary buds occur in the axil of leaf. There is angle between the stems and leaf. Typical undergo a dormant period. Act as a shoot insurance policy. They are contain inactive cell that can form a branch, leaf, or flower when the buds break dormancy and resume growth and development. Okay, for lateral meristems, it is formed in a mature region of the roots and shoots of plant, especially in woody plant, produce secondary growth, increase the girth of plant, makes the plant more hardy. Okay. For intercalary meristems, occur between mature tissue, most common in grass. They occur throughout the slender leaf. Okay, help regenerate plant, regenerate part which are damaged. For example, grass removed by weeding. Okay, what is ground tissue?
Okay, ground tissue occur throughout a plant, often mixed with other tissue system such as vascular tissue. Then contact and pitch of stem consists almost entirely of ground tissue. The function is for storage, metabolism, and support. It has three kinds of cell. First is parenchyma, second is collenchyma, and third is sclerenchyma. For parenchyma, most of abundant and versatile. have an monophysis, which is in the structure. The function is storage. Plant store nutrient in parenchyma cell. Most nutrient in plant such as corn and potatoes are contained in parenchyma cell. Metabolism. Parenchyma cells are often the site of metabolism in plant, including photosynthesis, respiration, and protein synthesis. Parenchyma cells are made by all plant meristem. Then it's life at maturity and usually surrounded only by a primary cell wall. It also have a large vacuole. For parenchyma, it's a long cell and have unevenly thickened primary cell wall. Support growing region of shoot and are therefore common is expanding leaf, petiole, and elongating stem. The main function is for support. Cell wall can expand because of lack of lignin, which enable the cell to elongate. They usually form in stand or cylinder beneath the epidermis to maximize support. For sclerenchyma, it's a rigid cell. It produces thick, non-traceable secondary cell wall. It also supports and strengthens the non-growing region of plants, such as a mature stem, usually dead at maturity, thus leaving a hard cell wall which acts as skeleton. It also occurs in major part of plant, such as leaf, stem, root, and bark. There are two types. First is sclerate, short and vary in shape, found throughout the plant. For example, root, leaf, and peanut cell. Second is fiber, long slender cell used to make rope and fiber. For example, musa textile, linum usilitarium. What is dermal tissue?
Dermal tissue is from the epidermis that cover the plant body. Function of epidermis is for water or mineral absorption and retention, protection against herbivores, and regulates gas control. Have a waterproof coating that protects plant from desiccation and microbes resistance. For a specialized structure, stomata, which is most occur on the underside of the leaf. Okay, other specialized structure, trichomes, which is cotton, menthol, THC, and marijuana, and root hair. That's it. Absorption of water and nutrient from soil. Okay, for vascular tissue made up from xylem and phloem, act as the conducting tissue for fluid through the plant. Xylem carry water and dissolve mineral from root to shoot. Lost their cellular contents, have unevenly thickened secondary cell wall, which are strengthened by lignin. Two main types, the vessel and trash head. Okay. Vessel and trash head. At each vessel, elongate open end cell which lost their end wall to form continuous parts. Okay. Trash head. Okay. Tapered cells overlapping and then have spiral thickening of cell wall, have a perforation or pitch to allow water to move from one cell to another. Okay, can you define about the phloem?
Okay, phloem carries solute such as sugar and amino acid from site of synthesis or storage to other part in plant. There are two types, slave tube and companion cell. For slave tube, it forms an elongate pipe. Cells are living and linked through a perforation at the end of the cell called slave plate. It has no nucleus but has other organelles. For companion cell, it has many mitochondria and provides energy for phloem transport. The internal structure of a dicot stem is its outermost layer is epidermis. Cortex lies beneath epidermis. Ring of vascular bundle separate the cortex from the pith. Then the pith lies in the center stem. For internal structure of a monocot stem, the vascular bundle are distributed throughout the ground tissue. No division of ground tissue into cortex and pith.